subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched the successor of its P Smart 2020 smartphone in the Europe called Huawei P Smart 2021. Talking about the specifications, the new Huawei P Smart 2021 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.3% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 710A chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the handset packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Huawei P Smart 2021 supports a vertically aligned quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the smartphone runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 skin on top. The handset comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 22.5W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.65 by 76.88 by 9.26mm and it weighs around 206 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei P Smart 2021 has been priced in the Europe at €229 and it is now available for purchase in the country in blush gold, crushed green and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei P Smart 2021 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.